Alright, this petition is basically about the company who has since 2007 been robbing us of our overtime that we've been working for. We've only been paid 70% of the overtime. The company was notified of this more than a year ago, last year in March. Ever since then, they've just kept quiet. And now that we've come out and we've asked them again, they came up with other strategies and delaying tactics and claiming that we owe them money, while they are the ones who have clearly been paying us 70% for the overtime that we have been working. So all we want is for them to pay back our money so that we can work in peace like we have always been working.
Pay back according to the land's constitution.
Yeah, according to the Labor Act. The other thing is the company keeps on disregarding collective agreements. We will go into negotiations, we will sign agreements, then they will just go out and say, we won't honor it. So we want them to start honoring collective agreements, because at the end of the day, we are the ones suffering, and at the end of the day, we're not going to negotiate with them anymore going forward from here onwards, unless they do right their wrongs and start afresh and start honoring our past.
Okay. You're going to be handing over a petition now for that?
Yeah, we're going to be handing over a petition. Our IR specialist, Marizana Enop, she will be coming out to collect it on behalf of the company. We requested that either Simon Solomons or her come out, but Simon Solomon seems not to be there.
Okay, thank you.